Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Justin Mueller. This video we're going to talk about how you can learn how to trade Forex absolutely free. I'm not here to sell you a course, and actually in the very beginning of your trading journey, I don't recommend you buy a course. I do believe in courses, and I definitely do believe that depending on who you learn from, it can be very beneficial. But at the end of the day, believe it or not, 99% of the information you learn in these paid courses, you can learn absolutely free from this free website. It's called babypips.com. Now, babypips.com is actually a very well-known website for helping people learn how to trade for free. Now, if you go to school, you've probably heard of this website called khanacademy.com. Khan Academy is a website that basically you can learn everything that you learn in high school and college, but you can learn it for free on that website. So BabyPips is basically the Khan Academy version for Forex, right? So if you really want to learn the basics of trading without having to spend $500 or $1,000 in a beginner trading course in person or online, this is definitely the place to go to. So babypips.com, let me show you how you can start a course absolutely free. So the first step is you go to babypips.com, you go up here to where it says education, and then you're going to click on how to trade Forex. Once you click that, it's going to take you here to this page that says School of Pipsology. And I recommend you create a free account with the website. This way, as you go through the course, it saves your position, it saves your place where you are in the course. So if you need to sign out and go to work or something, you can come back and it'll take you to where you left off at. So down here, as you can see, there are a total of 11 different segments. They're called courses. It starts with preschool, and it lets you know what's going to be outlined in each section of the course before you even start the course. So for example, course number 1 is what is Forex? How do you trade Forex? When can you trade Forex? Who trades Forex? Why trade Forex? Margin trading 101, right? And you start to learn the basics of all the different types of trading ways and everything. Everything you need to know about the basics of Forex is included right here on this website. So this video is going to be a pretty short one. I just wanted to show you that, in my opinion, in the very beginning, you don't need to take a course, because I've taken a lot of Forex courses in my 3 to 5 years of trading, and what I can tell you is that I've gone through this entire course on BabyPips, this website right here, and I can tell you that basically all the stuff you're going to learn on those paid courses are included here in this free website. So in my opinion, you'd be wasting your money if you're going to spend $1,000, $500 on a course. Just take this website right here, take it for granted, go 100% dive into it, and trust me, you will not be disappointed. So this video is to all of you out there who leave comments on my YouTube videos saying, what does a pip mean? How do I calculate pips? What is this? When is the New York session open? When is the London session close? Every single thing, every single question you have about Forex is on this website. All right, so definitely go through the course. Also, I have a lot of people asking me, how can they get notified when I upload a video? Well, YouTube has this cool feature where if you are subscribed to a channel, once you click the subscribe button, next to that, a bell icon will appear. So if you click that bell icon and press the button that says receive all notifications, you will get notified whenever I upload a video. But make sure that you have the YouTube app downloaded, sign into your account. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll get a push notification to your phone when I upload a video. So anytime I upload an analysis video, maybe I'm telling you I'm going to buy this pair and it's active for the next 10 minutes, you need to get notified when I upload that video. So make sure you're subscribed and you press that bell icon. That way you never miss a single video or analysis video. So with that being said, babypips.com, take the course, and I really do hope it helps you get a better understanding of how to trade Forex. So that's it, guys. Take care. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.